Closing shot, the students excitedly take out their notebooks, ready to learn and absorb the knowledge that the professor is about to share with them. In this section on metabolic pathways and regulation, we will explore how cells maintain balance by coordinating various pathways. Enzymes, ATP, NAD+, and coenzymes play important roles in controlling the flow of metabolites, regulating energy production, macromolecule synthesis, and waste elimination. Essential regulatory steps occur at key enzymes, ensuring cellular integrity and adaptation to the environment. Our bodies rely on these pathways and regulations for proper growth, development, and overall function. Scene: enzyme structure and catalysis mechanisms. Professor: enzymes play a critical role in metabolic pathways as catalysts, facilitating the conversion of substrates into products. They are highly specific and sensitive to environmental factors. Regulation of enzymatic activity occurs through various mechanisms, including allosteric regulation, covalent modifications, and substrate availability. Understanding these regulatory mechanisms is essential for maintaining homeostasis and responding to changes in metabolic needs. Scene: a visualization showcasing the metabolism of carbohydrates. Professor: carbohydrates serve as our primary source of energy. The metabolism of carbohydrates involves glycolysis, the tricarboxylic acid, TCA, cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. We will explore how glucose is metabolized to pyruvate, how the TCA cycle generates reducing equivalents, and how oxidative phosphorylation generates ATP. Regulation of carbohydrate metabolism ensures energy production is well coordinated with the body's energy demands. Scene: diagrams representing the breakdown and synthesis of lipids. Professor: lipid metabolism encompasses the synthesis, breakdown, and transportation of lipids. We'll examine how lipids are mobilized from adipose tissue, transported through the bloodstream, and taken up by cells. We'll also explore fatty acid oxidation, ketogenesis, and cholesterol metabolism. These processes are highly regulated and necessary for energy storage, membrane synthesis, and hormone production. Scene: diagrams illustrating the urea cycle, neurotransmitter synthesis, and various metabolic pathways. Professor: understanding amino acid metabolism is crucial for medical students. It involves intricate biochemical pathways, enzymes, and cellular regulation. We'll explore the synthesis, breakdown, and interconversion of amino acids, as well as their involvement in key metabolic processes and specialized pathways. Scene: illustration highlighting the different modes of energy metabolism. Professor: energy metabolism is a tightly regulated process that ensures the continuous supply of ATP to sustain various cellular activities. We'll explore aerobic and anaerobic metabolism, the interplay between carbohydrate, lipid, and amino acid metabolism, and the role of the mitochondria in ATP synthesis. Understanding energy metabolism is crucial for comprehending the overall functioning of cells and tissues. Scene: images of different organs and tissues. Professor: metabolic pathways are not uniform across all tissues. Each organ has its own metabolic profile, tailored to fulfill its specific functions. We'll examine how metabolic pathways differ in the liver, muscle, brain, and adipose tissue. Understanding tissue-specific metabolism is vital for understanding organ physiology and can shed light on the pathogenesis of metabolic diseases. Scene: diagram showing hormone secretion and their target tissues. Professor: hormones act as powerful mediators of metabolic processes. We'll explore how hormones like insulin, glucagon, and adrenaline regulate key enzymes and metabolic pathways. We'll investigate the intricate signaling cascades that coordinate glucose homeostasis, lipid metabolism, and protein turnover. The dysregulation of hormonal signaling often contributes to metabolic disorders, which we'll explore further. Scene: images depicting individuals affected by metabolic disorders. Professor: metabolic disorders encompass a wide range of diseases caused by genetic or environmental factors disrupting normal metabolic pathways. We'll delve into inherited metabolic disorders, such as phenylketonuria, glycogen storage disorders, and inborn errors of metabolism. Understanding these disorders at the molecular level can lead to improved diagnosis, treatment, and management strategies. Scene: diagrams illustrating glycogen synthesis and breakdown. Professor: glycogen metabolism plays a crucial role in maintaining glucose homeostasis. We'll explore how glycogen synthesis and breakdown are regulated by key enzymes and hormones. We'll discuss glycogen storage diseases, such as Pompe disease and von Gurke disease, which shed light on the importance of glycogen metabolism in health and disease. Scene: diagrams highlighting the regulation of the TCA cycle. Professor: the tricarboxylic acid, TCA, cycle is a central hub for energy metabolism and biosynthetic pathways. We'll explore how key enzymes in the TCA cycle are regulated, including allosteric control and post-translational modifications. We'll also examine the interconnectedness of the TCA cycle with other metabolic pathways and how dysregulation can contribute to various disorders. Scene: images showcasing the coordination between different organs. Professor: metabolic pathways between organs are interconnected, allowing for the efficient utilization and distribution of energy and metabolites. We'll explore how the liver, adipose tissue, muscle, and the brain communicate and coordinate their metabolic activities. This interplay ensures energy balance and the proper functioning of various physiological processes. In conclusion, we have delved into the captivating realm of metabolic pathways and their regulation. Grasping the molecular intricacies of metabolism is crucial for your future as skilled medical professionals. Thank you for your attention. Until next time.